Namaste, myself Neeraj Medharthi, and I am a PhD scholar on the subject of Panchgavya and cancer from Central University of Haryana. First of all, I would like to congratulate Behan Shivali ji and all of you for taking the initiative to explore the science behind the indigenous cows in the guidance of Guruji Dr. H.R. Nagendra ji. Now the big question is why we need to explore the field of Panchgavya science. According to the latest report of World Health Organization WHO, more than 65 crore of the people in the world are suffering from obesity. More than 200 crores of the people are suffering from hypertension. 46 crores of the people are suffering from the diabetes. And in the last year, if I talk about, more than 2 crores people died in 2020 due to the cancer. Like this, the non-communicable diseases are growing so fastly. Now the question is, what is the main cause of all these diseases and the disorders? So if you will contemplate on these all type of the health issues, you will find three major causes. The first is harmful chemicals, the second is sedentary lifestyle, and the third one is stress. Harmful chemicals are further divided into two categories: harmful chemicals in the food which we are consuming in our daily life, and the second is harmful chemicals in the cosmetics which we are using in our daily life. Out of these three, the harmful chemical which we are using in our day-to-day life is the biggest cause of unhealthy life. What happens when we consume the chemical food in the form of grains, in the form of vegetables, and in the form of fruits? And what actually happens when we use the cosmetics which contains so much of chemicals? So according to the agriculture scientist, when we consume the chemicals in a very less amount, which is a NOEL amount, NOEL here is no adverse effect level, then also these chemicals attacks on our body, especially on our immune system. They destroy our immune system, they destroy our lymphocytes, T cells, B cells, natural killer cells, it is NK cells, and reduce all over immunity of our body. What is the solution of this problem? So the solution is we have to go back to our roots, we have to go back to our rich culture, and we have to go back to our cow and Panchgavya. Recent scientific studies by Dr. R.S. Chauhanji, senior scientist and advisor of World Health Organization, he clearly explained that cowpathy and Panchgavya works as immunomodulation. It has anti-cancerous effect, anti-infectant, and it increases the quality of life, increase the happiness. Now the question is what we can do in this direction and what is our responsibility. We can put our efforts to explore this field as much as we can by publishing scientific studies on this field. Please internalize this fact that Ayurveda and our traditional therapies are lagging behind in this time only because of lack of publications and lack of research. I request everyone to make scientific publications as much as you can in this field. For this purpose, I will try to help you all in the different aspect of this research field. You can have my contact details from Behan Shivali ji, and I hope that you all will work on this field and you will make yourself and your society much healthier, much happier. धन्यवाद. Thank you. Namaste.